Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So I did get a request from one of my followers to do a TA on ChargePoint, and I actually really like ChargePoint. I thought ChargePoint was going to be doing, extremely well over the course of, its lifespan. Obviously, it's still up from where it was at like $10, so still almost 100% up, about 70% up from where it was, back in what last year, August, so about a year ago, which isn't too bad, right? It ran up all the way to like almost $50, and basically continued its downfall from there. Although I guess I already did. I guess I did a TA on this before, and I was like, yeah, this thing's going. Yeah. So the last time I looked at CHPT was November 29th, so about a month ago, and I guess I was right about that. I think it's gonna go lower, unfortunately. It did break previous lows. Watch, I'll show you guys. So it broke its relative low of 1760, right? It is on major it is on major support right now, which is fantastic. Actually, I can let me do this. Watch. Let me see if I have. So monthly support is at 1642. I think if it breaks that, I think it's going down to like $13. So you do have major support around this area of $17. I don't think it's gonna. I don't think it's gonna be. I don't want to say I don't think it's gonna recover, but it just doesn't look good from right now, right? It really doesn't. Let me see what the retrace was. Retrace was about 0.5. Let me see what the actual run was. Oh, actually, that's the wrong. That's the wrong one that I'm looking at. Hold up. Let me see. So like around there, that's fine. It's fine. Yeah, I mean it's had pretty good support, just kind of like around this range, honestly, on the way down. But I think I'm using my forecast wrong. I don't know. Um, it doesn't look good, man. Right? It doesn't look good. It broke previous lows. It just broke new lows right here. I mean you can. I mean I could definitely see a bounce from here to maybe like I don't know, like $20, maybe going back up here. It doesn't look like it's gonna recover though. Like every single instance, watch, like even right now, every single instance of bullish triggers, it's been continuously going down. I think what's gonna happen to CHPT is you're gonna break this big support here at $17, probably go down to like somewhere like there, and then recover, and then go like and then drop down like that, right? That's what I think is gonna happen. Unfortunately, I think there's a really solid chance that you go back to like $15. I think that might be the next um, major line of support. I mean, you have what? Yeah, that would be one. Next stop would probably be like 1562, probably there. I think the next stop for CHPT is probably 1562. So like right 1562, like right there, somewhere around that range, honestly. Um, yeah, it doesn't look good, man. It really doesn't look all that good, honestly. Which is kind of the crappy part, right? Because it's on support. There's a lot of signs that it's gonna keep dropping. If you do like CHPT, maybe probably is a really good time to buy right now to add to kind of average down in your position if you have an extra liquid and stuff, right? But um, like I said, I think there's a chance that it probably runs back a little bit. It can probably run back to maybe like $20 or so. Maybe trade sideways around this range, but overall, I'm pretty bearish on this right now. CHPT looks like it's gonna keep going down. It's not following Tesla. It's not following any of the other EV plays. So I'm kind of inclined to think that it's gonna keep dropping, unfortunately, right? And even then, look, it just closed a bear month for December, right? Last time that it closed the bear month, where did it run from? It went from $26, all the way to lows of $17. So I would not be surprised, to see that, another like $5 drop, maybe. So if you see ChargePoint at, I don't know, $13, maybe, like $12, $10, somewhere like under $15, I would not be surprised to see that within the next month or two. Like I personally wouldn't be buying anything for ChargePoint right now. I wouldn't be averaging down. I wouldn't be buying this position. I think there's a lot better plays that you can put your money into. But, you know, ChargePoint looks like it's going to go down. And I think the next level that it's probably going to stop at is going to be somewhere in like the $15 range. I think it's going to $15 within the next maybe like month or two. I don't know for sure. But yeah, it looks like it's going to go down to $15. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.